Pwede naman yan, wala nang problema dyan. Kanya-kanyang style, which is halos the same nung kanina. So, one layer, you have the second layer, and you do have the third layer, and you do have the fourth layer. So, you have that. Kung gusto mo ng parang stars, parang gano'n lang din sa kanina. So, you have one. Normally, ginagawa ko to kapag night yung setting. Sa unang layer, hindi mo pa siya makikita. Kasi totally wala pa makikita. Pwede ka ma-frustrate. Okay naman, di ba? Then, we have the second layer. Let's work with the second layer. Tingnan natin kung paano siya magtata. Palabas na dyan yung parang medyo may between. Okay. Yan. May kumakanta. Narinig ba? So we have the third layer. So this is the third layer. Okay, let's work with the fourth layer. Mas masansan siya. So may pagkakaiba na kagad. So kung yung starry night mo is given for this technique, that will not be a problem. Let's work with the